Don't place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a good trader. Hey traders, John Hell here. In this video, I'm going to quickly give you a quick market update on what's going on right now with the markets and what I see happening. Let's get straight into it, guys. Now, what I'm seeing right now on the Dow Jones is we're still getting that little bit of a rally here, as I was talking about last week, but please don't be fooled by what's happening right now in the markets because we have broken right down through here. And this is just a nice rally getting through here. And over the next month, maybe next few weeks, maybe even this week, I don't know, we're going to start to see a lot more downside to come. And we're going to break these lows through here. That's just going to happen. We shouldn't say it's going to happen. No one knows what's going to happen. There's no guarantees there. So that's what I'm seeing right now on the Dow Jones is that we're getting a rally through here and then we're likely to see a drop back down through here. So that's what we're seeing right now by looking at this here, right? So we've had this nice drop down through here and now we're getting a rally back up. The 52 is almost catching up and we're getting right now we're at this level, as you can see on my Dow Jones. There's a lot of resistance through here. So resistance through here, resistance or support, should I say. Now there's a lot of resistance. You can see it's resisting right now on the Dow Jones. So there's likely to be a lot of resistance through there. Same for the S&P 500. A lot of resistance where it is right now. And then same for the Nasdaq as well too. So that's what I'm seeing there right now, real quick on the markets there. Now, one thing I do want to point out is that I've looked at my longer term charts, my yearly charts, monthly charts as well too, to see where are significant areas where the market is likely to find these key areas of support. And on the Nasdaq, you can see around the 7,000. It's not from this chart, it's from a longer term chart. This green line here is a significant area where the market is likely to find a lot of resistance where that is. And then we're likely to roll over and head back down from there. So I would say get ready for a lot more downside to come. We may get a little bit more upside through here, but we're likely to get a lot more downside to come at this one. Same for the Dow Jones and same for the S&P 500. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the Millionaire Mindset Master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now and I'll see you on the next page.